In today's video, I will walk you through how to change Discord password. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you're using the official Discord app or website before entering your credentials. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area and a gear icon next to your username. Click the gear icon to open User Settings. Inside User Settings, select My Account. This is where you can manage your account information and security settings. Look for the Password section and select Change Password. A form will appear asking for your current password. Enter it carefully, then enter your new password. For better security, create a strong and unique password using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information or reusing a password from another website. If you use a password manager, you can also use it to generate and securely save a strong password. After entering your current and new passwords, click Save or Done to apply the change. Discord will update your password, and you may be asked to sign in again on some devices or sessions. This is a normal security measure. If you don't remember your current password, don't keep guessing. Instead, use the Forgot Password option on the Discord login screen to reset it. Also, never enter your Discord password through links sent by strangers or suspicious messages. Keep your login information private and use only official Discord pages. That's it. Open Discord, go to User Settings, select My Account, choose Change Password, enter your current and new password, and save the changes. And that's how to change Discord password. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.